Today I am alone at home. Today I am alone at home. Heavy rain is falling outside. Heavy rain is falling outside. The weather feels cold today. The weather feels cold today. I can hear thunder outside. I can hear thunder outside. I want to cook something special. I want to cook something special. I decide to make biryani today. I decide to make biryani today. My kitchen is full of ingredients. My kitchen is full of ingredients. Everything is on the table. Everything is on the table. The tomatoes are very red. The tomatoes are very red. I do not need so many tomatoes. I do not need so many tomatoes. I add water to the bowl. I add water to the bowl. White water is coming from the rice. White water is coming from the rice. I look inside the refrigerator. I look inside the refrigerator. Oh no, there is no meat inside.
No.
Oh no, there is no meat inside. I need meat for biryani. I need meat for biryani. Going outside is difficult now. Going outside is difficult now. The rain is becoming stronger. The rain is becoming stronger. I cannot go outside now. I cannot go outside now. Suddenly, I get an idea. Suddenly, I get an idea. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I search for fresh meat. I search for fresh meat. I find a good shop online. I find a good shop online. I place an order quickly. I place an order quickly. The delivery will arrive soon. The delivery will arrive soon. Suddenly, the calling bell rings. Suddenly, the calling bell rings. I am sure the delivery man has arrived. I am sure the delivery man has arrived. I open the door carefully. I open the door carefully. He is holding a bag. He is holding a bag. He gives me the package. He gives me the package. I place the meat on the table. I place the meat on the table. I stir the rice gently. I stir the rice gently. The biryani smells delicious. The biryani smells delicious. I place the biryani on the table. I place the biryani on the table. Today feels like a special day. Today feels like a special day.